Well, hello, good morning, everybody. How we doing Friday here? August 14th. Man, time's flying, eh? Jeez. How's everybody doing this morning? Looks like we got Born Hunting and High Time in the chat. Good morning, guys. Good to see you. Just taking a quick look at the book map here. We do have, oh, this is the wrong contract here. There we go. 30,300 contracts above and also 30,220 area below. So we got a bit of a mixed bag of directional targets on the book map here at the moment. Although there is a little bit more to the top side, so we'll have to see how this ends up playing out. Where's my midnight open price? There's my candle there. Midnight open candle. Where's our 2100 here? Right in there. Feel like we're obviously in a bit of a bullish situation here. We're above the overnight VWAP. We're above the point of control. We do have this 1 hour bearish fair value gap above here. Starts at 308, 30,308, goes up to 30,354. This could be a potential draw on liquidity relatively quickly. But we also have the midnight open price, which we haven't engaged for quite some time. Since midnight. So this is an opportunity here for a short trade idea. So normally what we're doing is we're going to be going to a bit of a lower time frame. We're going to wait for an inverted fair value gap. So maybe this 30,245 for a signal that we're going to head to the midnight open, looking for an inverted fair value gap, and then trade it down to the midnight open price. So hey, Yogi. Good morning. Jerry Trades Futures in the house. Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? We got 5 people in YouTube, 6 people in YouTube, 7 people in X this morning. How was the pre-market there, Jerry? Did you get in with Nick this morning? I mean, I have to say that I'm bullish at the moment, but that doesn't mean we're not going to get a pullback here or a deeper pullback, sort of at the open here. But yeah, time will tell. I don't really like to call too much of a bias early on here, right? We got to see what the candles start doing in the morning here, because it is Friday. And, you know, Fridays can be interesting. Let's put it that way. I think we had some news this morning. Did it already play out? Yeah, so 8:30 a.m. we had U.S. retail. And then we have University of Michigan sentiment at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hey, Dr. Hi, Matt. Good morning. So we did get a pullback. Looks like on the was it 8:10 a.m. news, but we didn't have, that wasn't the news. U.S. retail sales. No, that's a half hour. Where's the 8? I don't know what created that big wick. Was there a tweet or something this morning? Did you guys see this? Because this is a pretty wild candle. Am I ready for a storm, or am I ready for a storm? Yeah, right, hey? Yeah, we're ready for the storm, the Friday storm. Take a quick look at the NQ contract here. Okay, so 30,300, we got 31 contracts. 30,210, we have some contracts. So on the big contracts, looks like we have a little bit more to the downside, sort of 210 and 200 area. That happens to line up with the VWAPs and the PLC. So we might want to like watch a 1 minute chart or the 2 minute chart maybe. You know, we'll even do a 3 minute chart we're looking for an inversion here, like maybe this guy. If this thing gets inverted right out of the gate, that would say, you know, there's a good chance we can at least head to the PLC, but that is actually pretty close. There's only 50 points to the downside here. So let's just play it safe today, guys. You know, like I said, it is Friday. No need to go crazy with these trades. So H. Yeah, starting to pull back. Starting to get a little bit more of a bearish move here. So we tapped into previous day high and value area high, and since then we've kind of pulled back here, like from 82 down to 50, so about 30-point pullback. Probably only be trading like 1 or 2 micros, to be honest, today. Especially it's Friday, so that's just typically my trade size is like maybe 2 micros. So I don't know if you guys were on the stream last night, but I was in with 30 micros on stream last night, trying to get that TPT Pro or TPT evaluation halfway to finished. And it was down about 1,000 at the time I ended the stream, but I ended up locking in 485. Price pulled back and I locked it in. It's too bad I had 1,400 in there at one point, but yeah, just didn't really I was looking for another $90 for some reason. That it wasn't enough and I didn't get it, and yeah, that's too bad. Oh well. I still have about 7, maybe it's about 7 trading days at this point, because we got the weekend. So yeah, I got until the 23rd. So I basically have this whole next week to try to pass this account, because I got a reset, and I didn't realize that the reset doesn't reset the time that you renew the account. So you live and you learn. I should have thought of that before I actually bought the account. So you passed one yesterday, 4 to go. You have a great crowd here, Dave. Yeah, thanks, Born. I agree. Can't agree more. Love the crowd. Mostly the crowd is on the evening stream, but I do appreciate all you guys that are hanging out in the morning. So thank you for that. Thank you for that. Congratulations, though, Born Hunting. What firm are you trading with? Ooh, I heard a boop.
Yeah, you did. Heard that boop.
I got booped. Got booped on the
Oh,
way in here.
I just want to reach up and give you a little boop right on the nose.
That's funny. Bubbles would like that.
I'm sorry, what?
It's an inside joke from some friends.
I'm
Not
sure.
It's not like that. No. It's not like that, Nick. Sorry guys, I think I just scared Nick away permanently here. Might be end of the streaming old man streaming duo here. Oh, on Apex, nice. Congrats, man. Are those the ones with an activation fee, or are those the ones that are they like, I think that they came out with the legacy ones, didn't they? Uh-oh, I think we really lost him here, guys. What did I say?
Ooh, all right, a little bit better. Sorry, I got a little too excited there.
Yeah.
Bubbles, eh? I mean,
no, it's one of my friends' like stuffed animal, and it just like, it's a joke from before where it's like the really like the nose. I don't know what it's something about the nose and tapping the nose. It's like, anyways.
All right. Well, that's a thing that just happened.
Yeah.
So anybody watching this is probably going to be my last stream with Dave.
It's official.
You scared him off. It's okay, he'll be back on Monday.
Yeah.
Dave doesn't scare me. I'm no chicken.
What a map, hey? Ziad Imad. So we had a guy on the stream last night. His name's Ahmed, and he was like talking sounded like what it was, like a different language. All stream, like typing into it, and then later on he's like types a full sentence in perfect English. I'm like, you've been trolling us the whole time. He's been just trolling us.
Nice.
So funny.
All right, here's the open.
Nice. Some indecision here at the moment.
RTY just dumped.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. Don't mind me. I'm learning a new ticker here.
Yeah, no problem. Out of the gate dumpage.
Out of the gate dump.
Prop Firm Match has a whole bunch of interesting guests today. It's like their 2-year anniversary or something. So, like, he's got the CEO of TPT on.
Oh, nice. All right, I just took a long on RTY, locking in $200 right now. Made $200.
Very nice. Good start. Good start.
Yep, I'll take it. Did 5 minis on that one.
Holy crap. 5 minis or micros? You're actually minis?
Yeah.
Wow. What is it per tick on those ones?
Per tick, it's $15.
$15 for 1 mini. Wow.
All right, price came right back up to the open on this. So I got my 5 mini long. And I'm out. Another 200.
Wow. There you go. Jeez. NQ's just playing the dancing game here on the first 5 minute candle here.
Yeah.
Not really doing a whole lot just yet.
Oh, I wanted to just catch a little bit of this volatility, so I'm using a 1 minute candle right now.
Okay.
Got the regular trading hours on. I got a 1 minute candle. And this is cash accounts. I'm not doing this in a prop firm. That would be bad decision making.
That's fair. Skeletor posted a chart with a 9 EMA cumulative delta.
Let's see what NQ is doing here. You trading NQ today?
Yeah, I'm looking at NQ right now. We're pulling back into contracts here down at 30,220 area.
Yeah, and right off the open, closed the gap between yesterday's New York session and the overnight. Just closed the gap on this 1 minute or on this 5 minute candle. So the gap has been filled. Where's it going to go from here?
Yeah. That's on just regular trading hours, obviously.
Yeah, I put on the regular trading hours if I want to know if the likelihood of a gap fill.
Gotcha.
And after that strong push down, it was pretty likely on NQ. Oh, wait, no, I lied. The gap, not quite filled, but good enough for government work. We are sitting in the middle of a bullish fair value gap right now. Looks like it's going to pull down through it. All right, now the gap has been filled.
Okay, nice. Yeah, we are pushing down on the 30,200 level here. So it looks like we had some news. We do have some more news at 10 a.m. Here, which is, what was it? Retail sales, I think.
Yep.
Right down to the PLC here on NQ. Find a little bit of support here down at, or a little bit of resistance here. Well, support, resistance, whatever opposite direction here, but right down to the 200s, trying to get through the 200s here. We did have some orders originally at 220 area. Those ones got taken already. So obviously we're looking pretty heavy at the moment. Where's this going? It's probably going to midnight open price, I guess.
Yeah, I'm not getting into anything yet.
Midnight open price is down at 30,150.
Yeah, the trend is mixed on ES, NQ, YM, and RTY right now.
Gotcha.
Oil is going down.
YM's looking bullish. Getting a bit of a bounce here on NQ now.
RTY is sitting, just went down through New York session VWAP, but we're only 8 minutes into the session, so that VWAP is not very strong yet. Have a developing point of control sitting at, or I'm sorry, yesterday's point of control sitting at 3,060 in case anyone's trading RTY or M2K.
Good morning, beautiful trading family. Kyle, she's in the house. Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing?
He's doing good because he missed your bubbles comments.
Sorry that you missed that, Kyle. At the MNQ, potential dip buyers, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. We're at the overnight VWAP right now. We kind of tapped the previous day's New York VWAP. Now we're popping back up here to the overnight VWAP. I haven't put my VWAP on yet here. We're back above the VWAP on NQ here. We're also in a bearish fair value gap at the moment. Looks like there was a little bit of resistance there, but it kind of like seems like the POC is sort of holding it up. Previous day's point of control. Can you repeat the bubbles comment?
No,
I think you might have to go rerun the stream there later after the stream gets posted. You can go see that. It was right at the start when Nick popped in. It was an inside joke.
It was nothing serious. It was just me being goofy and Dave being Dave.
Usual nonsense.
Yep, that's how it goes. Did just take another $85 on a single mini long off that dip on RTY.
Okay. Did that annoying guy last night convince anyone prop firms are a scam? LOL. Kyle. Hilarious. Yeah, there's a guy that came on stream and he was just going off about like how they're a scam and that they're, you know, it's simulated and blah blah blah. It's like, dude, like he's like, everybody should be trading their own capital, blah blah blah. And I'm like, yeah, there's pros and cons to it all for sure. So, you know
what? I trade my own capital. You don't, right? You strictly trade prop firms, correct?
Yeah.
So who cares as long as you're getting paid?
Yeah.
And honestly, I do both. So I got a 3-mini long in again on RTY right now. Average price is 3,057.60, and
Right.
I just locked in 105. It's 3 minis. Okay, locking in 200. $255.
People that don't know how to run a business think everything's a scam. Yeah, that's true. That's true.
I mean, all right, locking in 300 even. Coming up on the standard 2 deviation, so I'm getting ready to cut this.
Wayne goes, Nick's a dip buying dog.
I am. I'm a dip buying dog.
With fleas. Whoa.
No, man, there's no need to get mean about it.
Right?
Talking about my fleas.
Be nice to Mr. Nick. He takes a bath daily, I think.
At least monthly.
Aren't taxes different between personal capital and prop firms? I remember something was different on taxes.
Yep.
I'm not sure what.
So personal capital on futures, you are tax advantaged with what they call a 60/40 tax rate.
On personal account?
Yeah, personal accounts. Prop firms, you are taxed as a subcontractor. You are actually 1099, so you are paying a much higher tax rate. Now, that sounds horrible, but you have to also consider how much less risk there is using a prop firm.
Mm-hmm.
That is the biggest difference between the two.
And is that not relative to your income too, I guess, right? Because if you're like, let's say, well, I guess, I mean, you got to make money, but I'm just saying if you didn't make a ton of money, you may be going to be paying not that much taxes on it because I mean, yeah, I guess it doesn't really make sense. Hopefully you're making enough money to survive. So
yeah,
with or without trading, right? So, yeah.
So with, with a personal or business, personal business brokerage, you are taxed at the 60/40. So 60% of your trades are actually taxed on futures contracts as long-term investments rather than short-term investments. Makes a pretty big difference in what your tax bill looks like. All right, opening range is now set, and I am definitely liking this RTY action here. Yesterday was my first trade on RTY ever.
Yeah.
And I just looking back at it, looking to the left, I like the price action. It is similar to ES. It seems to respect VWAP and the deviation bands really, really well. Right now, it just hit the standard 2 deviation, pulled back to the standard 1, showing a little bit of support at the developing point of control. The high volume nodes at 3,060 and 20 cents.
So Chris said, if the prop firm makes you go live, what does that count as? Are you still a subcontractor?
You're still a subcontractor.
Gotcha.
Have you gone live with any of them yet?
No.
All right, got 6 minis in here right now. Got my break even.
Popping up here. See if NQ is going to get up to this pre-market high there, right up to value area high. Maybe the draw on liquidity is going to be up there about the 300s level, 30,300s. If we can end up breaking through the highs here.
All right, I'm up 300 on this one. Okay, it was up 300. Get back up there.
Rejected there off of the previous day high slash value area high level. Didn't quite take the pre-market high on NQ. Pulling back here. Gonna watch the price here. If we get back down to the VWAP here, maybe this is gonna be a possible entry if we can find some support here down at 231 area. We do have orders up at 30,287, 30,300, 30,320 area.
So RTY right now is pushing through the overnight VWAP. It's above New York. The target previous day's value area high for possibly taking profit there, unless it pushes through it with strength. So I just locked in 200. Oh yeah, here we go. Now it's moving. Just created a new initial balance high.
NQ's kind of in indecision mode here at the moment. Going up and down and up and down. Oh, wow. Quite the pump there. NQ went below the VWAP and just snapped right back up.
So I just locked in 500 on this one.
Hey, good morning, Czar.
Am I going to have another? Holy shit, I am. Look at that. All right, so just locked in 600 on this.
Nice. RTY, hey? Oh, geez. No wonder. It's just breaking out huge to the upside, hey? Very nice.
So my average buy-in was at, or I'm sorry, my average cost is $3,061.50. Oh, I'm sorry, I locked in 500, not 600.
Gotcha.
So we got a little ways to go to the upside before it hits that previous day's value area high. Depending on what these 1 minute candles are doing, I may cut this a little bit early.
Chris said, watch out for Trump tweets. I've seen a couple this morning already.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. You got to say that and make me nervous. I don't like it. Don't like it at all. I'm going to put this up here so you can see where I'm at right now. So this is my average entry. So I got 500 locked in right now.
Nice.
Not seeing a reason to get out of this trade currently. Actually, I think my stop loss might be a little bit too high even.
Now that you're looking at it?
Yeah. Actually, it is. I'm going to move this down to... Yeah, that's better.
One of them was about people spray painting the World War II memorial. Oh, really? Yeah.
What?
I guess one of the tweets was about people spraying the World War II memorial.
I hope that's fake news.
People are silly about some things, that's for sure.
Yeah, I think I'd punch somebody in the ding dong for that. All right, I'm getting ready to take this. Just locked in about 700 bucks, I think.
Nice.
There we go. Took my 700. Make sure this is canceled on all my accounts. We are done. All right.
Nice trades.
So I'm up $1,000 per account now. I got nothing else to do.
You're gonna have to be patient here. Wait for some more price action to tell us what's gonna happen here. So far, NQ's been holding above the VWAP. We have formed a few wicks as we retrace to the VWAP.
So RTY right now is coming back towards, oh, you know what? Getting rid of this 1 minute chart.
Oh yeah.
It's a bad idea to
gonna get sucked in.
Do analysis on on a 1 minute chart.
Yeah, that used to get me back when I used to watch the 1 minute also. I was like, oh, all these candles are so inducing. They look like they're moving so much.
I mean, the 15 doesn't look too bad either here. We do have the all-time high that we do have the all-time high that was created yesterday at 3,076.30. We are just a titch under previous day's value area high, so we're above VWAP. Everything is pointing towards longs. NQ and YM are both having pretty good uptrends. YM just switched to mixed, so
RTY is pulling back a bit now also.
Yeah, a little bit.
So I think that profit where you took those profits was probably a good place.
Hey, you know what? I make a good decision every now and again. Every once in a while I do okay. I do want to check and see what oil is doing right now too, though.
Could be important information today.
Yeah. It's a Friday. Trump's going to try and move the market in one direction or another. If he's already putting out his Truth Social. I'm sorry. Threw up in my mouth a little bit there, putting his name in a sentence with truth.
So I'm in a small long on NQ here. We've been holding the VWAP pretty nicely, so that was kind of the idea behind it. 2 micros and an eval, so not putting too much risk on here. If we end up getting back down to the POC, I'm going to close this trade. So just we're above overnight, we're above the POC, so I'm just kind of like, oh, that was quite the wick there. Right to the POC.
Yep.
Wicked right to the POC there. Previous day's point of control.
We're down below the POC.
I have mine at 30,206.
So I have a silly question. What the hell is going on with my candles here?
Oh, why is it white?
I have no idea. That's probably something I should figure out. What the hell did I pull up on this?
It's telling you something.
Fair value gap? No. Is it Austin's indicator? It is. That dirty son of a...
So what does that tell you there? It was too volatile?
I have no idea. There's an update on this VWAP trading concepts every damn day. I have to reset it for daily updates. So I'm just gonna call Randy and ask him for a tutorial on this indicator, because damn.
Yeah. Wayne says Nick's Gucci saddlebags are full, headed for the bank.
I don't Gucci, please.
More like Harley Davidson bags.
More like Ferragamo. Come on.
Ferragamo, yeah.
You're gonna start buying Guido shit. And no, I would never put Ferragamo or Gucci bags on my Harley. That would not be a thing. Actually, I don't. I look at like Gucci and Coach and all those brands of clothing. I'm gonna be nice here, just in case. The big G's and C's, like Louis Vuitton with their little symbols and stuff covering everything.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna be a walking advertisement for you and your shitty company, you're damn well gonna pay me for it.
Nice, yeah. But you pay a lot for that. People pay a lot for that, hey?
People pay a lot so that way other people know what brands they're wearing.
Yeah, that's true.
That's all it is. It is, honestly, it's just fucking stupid. If you're that concerned about other people's opinions on what brand of clothing you're wearing, you need to reassess your life choices and maybe see a shrink to figure out why you're such an insecure twat.
Yeah. Skeletor says, all right, caught a few good scalps. Trades done for the week. I'm happy it's green week. We'll see you on Monday AM. Thank you for all your hard efforts. I appreciate it. Thanks, Skeletor. You too. Have a great weekend. See you on Sunday.
Hey, Skeletor, how's your head feeling?
You had a headache this morning or what?
Yeah. Homeboy needs more caffeine in his life.
Or more water.
That's what I said. I told him to drink some more water and or coffee and water, and he started drinking the coffee, and his headache his headache was getting a little bit better.
Oh yeah, sometimes you get kind of like caffeine withdrawal sort of headaches if you hadn't had any coffee yet.
Some other psychopath was saying they used to put Water Joe in their coffee pot, which
Water Joe?
Yeah, they used to sell caffeinated water, which just wow.
So they're adding caffeine to the caffeine Coffee?
Yes.
Wow. Double whammy.
I mean, I drink like 2 pots of coffee a day. I don't want that heart attack.
Yeah. Oh, Chris is that psychopath?
Yes, that was Chris. That's who it was.
Nice. Chris is a interesting guy, so
I mean, maybe Chris will boop you.
boop.
He doesn't sound like he's too scared of booping and I don't know, whatever else you're into. Probably butt stuff.
Oh my god. Absolutely
What?
not.
Oh, come on, don't be a chicken.
TMI, Nick. TMI.
Come on,
Quit projecting over here, bro. Quick.
Don't be a chicken.
And Chris goes boop.
Nice. See, I told you.
Yeah, Chris is a good guy.
I don't know about good, but he's funny and a little bit of a caffeine addict.
Better to miss a good trade than to enter a bad one.
Yep. I missed this dip buy that I was looking for.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you got me all flustered. I'm still thinking about boops and butt stuff, so.
I'm still in that 2 micro long on.
Are you serious?
Blue Sky. Yeah, it never closed below
MNQ?
PLC. Yeah. Basically, like if we get a candle closure below PLC, I'll be out. So I'm break even right now. So.
I was hoping you were one of those dirty dip buying dogs too on that one then.
Yeah, I thought about adding into it. Just didn't want to add the risk to it in case it decided to just rip through the PLC there. So.
Oh shit. So I did not realize this. I set it up to copy my TPT and my TOF accounts to this as well.
And
I'm up.
nice. Wow. So you're trading minis in those accounts?
Yeah.
Whew. Wow, another good day for you, eh?
So, oh shit. So my TPT accounts, that's great, but my TOF ones, you'll never guess what I did.
Blew the consistency.
You got it, sister.
On those funded accounts?
Yes.
Damn it.
Yeah, that just means I got to trade them for a lot longer before I take a payout.
Mm-hmm. Chris,
But hey, I got more buffer now. So there's that. I got more buffer. I'll take that.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. So you can use those to size up a little bit more.
Yeah, I'm new. Hold on, let me take a look at this real quick.
But you made a ton of money, Chris.
Oh no, you know what? I had those set to my maximum on that is 1 mini, so I did not blow consistency on it.
Oh, sweet. There you go.
So, all right.
Trader's Post for the win there.
Yep. Okay, so another good case for Trader's Post saving my ass. I almost made too much money. I hate saying that. But if you're playing that prop firm game along with your personal capital, it is a game.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, you do have to play by those rules.
Yeah, the guy in the stream last night, he was really against prop firms. I'm like, this guy must have had too many daily loss limit trades or something.
So, I mean, I can't say for certain, but everyone that I've ever heard complain about prop firms, and I mean, I've made some complaints about them, so I'm guilty of it too. But the people were very adamant about, oh, these prop firms are scams and blah, 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 blah. guarantee you not a single one of them's taking a payout.
Yeah, yeah.
They probably didn't read their contracts. They definitely don't know the rules. And for the most part, they're probably just real shitty traders.
Yeah.
And also, if you're trading a prop firm and you look at and you go, oh, I have a 50K account. No, you don't. You do not have a 50K account. You have $2,000 worth of evaluation sim drawdown. Mm-hmm. Trade it like you would a $2,000 account, not a $50,000 account. Because if I'm trading a $50,000 account, I'm putting in 3 minis rather than 3 micros.
Mm-hmm. Because you got lots of room.
You got a lot of room. You've got a bunch of drawdown that you can actually use to your advantage. So instead of being in a rush to take a payout, and this is going to be me standing on a damn soapbox right now. Instead of being in a rush to pass an eval, take a payout, any of that, trade smaller size, take less trades, do it over a longer time period, and be happy with the fact that you can actually get paid from them. And then if you want to, increase the number of accounts you have. Use my discount code, get a Traders Post thing, start using the man pad like your buddy Dave over here, and make a couple million in a year. It's not as hard as people think it is. You just have to be patient, and nobody's patient.
Yeah, that's a big problem. We're actually Stop Loss Sweetheart was saying that. She's like, I've taken money out of my cash account multiple times, but just can't seem to pass an eval. And she's like, do you think it's my whatever? And she's like, yeah, I think I'm rushing it, kind of thing. And I'm like, well, that's your answer right there. You need to size down, just be slower, and don't try to rush through it. You just got to plug away, and whenever you're slow and steady, you're going to have a better chance at being successful with those accounts, right?
Yeah, and it's like playing a game with them. But all these people that think that the prop firms are or that are adamant, telling other people, standing on their soapbox saying that it's all a scam. I mean, you've seen my payouts. You know what they're like.
Yeah.
It's not a scam, and you can make a living using them.
Yeah, he's like, well, how do you make them? Where do you get paid from? He's like, other people's money, they're losing their money. I'm like, yeah, so it's still real money. It doesn't mean when you win in the market, whose money are you getting? You're getting somebody else's money anyways. So what's the difference?
So basically, this asshole is the one paying me.
Yeah, probably
is what's happening.
That's why he's so butthurt about it.
I mean, I'll take his money. You keep buying those challenges so these prop firms can keep paying me. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, and we're just kind of like, well, there's pros and cons, right? People who are learning, maybe they don't have as much money available to them. Like the prop firm's definitely the way to go. And then Red, I think it was Red, is like, man, the amount of money I could have lost in my personal compared to what I've lost in prop firms is exponential.
Oh yeah. So, if you think about your first, say, 6 months of trading, if you were trading personal capital doing that and not trading on a prop firm, say you're just coming into the futures market, how many jobs would you have had to work to keep funding those accounts? Three or four? 6? You'd have to get a hold of Chris and see where he's got the hookup for Water Joe, just so you could stay awake to work 12 jobs.
Yeah.
All right, RTY just just made a new daily high. All right, so now I just got to wait for a pullback.
Oh yeah, RTY is just a beast this morning. Hey, just going straight up.
Just going straight up. We got orders at 3,080, 385, 90. Got orders up above 3,200. Yeah, this isn't. I am very tempted to get into a long now, but I know it's a bad idea.
Yeah.
And again, that's the other thing. These people complaining about prop firms. I know it's a bad idea. I'm tempted to. I am very tempted to get into a long right now. But I know if I do, I'm going to get smoked on a pullback down to 3,064. As soon as I enter, I'm going to enter at exactly the wrong time, close to a daily high, with no indication that it's going to continue higher when it's halfway down this 5-minute candle already.
Yeah, Chris said, catch the discount, trade one micro, come up with a strategy. Apex 25K accounts are $20 on sale. That's a cheap way to learn.
Exactly.
Yeah, spend 6 months to a year refining your strategy and your, everything about trading, and then then start thinking about scaling up or something if you find you're in a profitable position.
Yeah, I mean, after I actually learned that I could do this, relatively well. I'm no Zach Arbucci or anything, but after I realized that as long as I control myself and I don't get greedy and manage to just take profits at a reasonable level or trail my stop up, then I started just opening more accounts. And honestly, it's worked out for me. So if anybody has an issue with prop firms, call me. I'll tell you how to deal with it for the low price of $49.99. Or you could just watch the live stream every day and get the same information for free.
Born Hunting goes, and that's what I'm up to, thanks to your educational comments. Yeah, Born Hunting, I think he bought a 5-pack Apex, and he's past one. He's got 4 to go, so
perfect.
Oh, 800 up on an evaluation. Yeah,
that's great. So you keep trading that evaluation like an adult, and you don't worry about how long it's taking you. And when you pass it, you continue trading the same way. Whoa, shit. Comments, sorry.
Big Teflon said, I'd love to see Nick's opening playbook because before anyone else has even started, it's always locked in another 500.
I'm up at 3:30 in the morning every day doing this shit. It's not like I'm lazy about it.
Chris said, this is more stable than most jobs. It's riskier, but you ain't gonna get fired or the building ain't gonna burn up overnight.
True. I'll be honest with you, I don't have the personality for a boss anyway. I don't have if I was to get a 9 to 5, I would also have to have genuine GM oil filters installed between my brain and my mouth. I'm just not willing to do that. It's like NQ is getting a decent pullback here.
Yeah.
You out of that trade or?
No, I'm still holding that. Just these 2 micros. If this candle closes here down below 205 area, I'll be cutting this. I'm just waiting on this 5-minute candle closure here. So it's in that 200K blue sky eval. Lately, this has been easier than options. That market is a wreck lately. Oh, I mean, options I think have a whole other level of challenge to them. So
I loved trading options. I did not like trading options, or I hated trading options from the end of May through September.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I actually looked over 5 years of options trades at one point and realized that end of May through mid-September has more red than green. The rest of the year made shit tons of money. Okay, RTY is getting a little bit of a pullback here as well. Down at 3,068.50. Wouldn't mind a bounce off of this standard 1 deviation band. Oh, you guys can't see my screen. Never mind. Standard 1 deviation band is sitting at 3,067.20. And it just rejected off of the standard 2 at the 72 level. So I'm actually going to lower my 1 mini in here.
yeah, I had to cut that trade there. So just that's pretty strong closure below the POC here.
Is it?
Yeah.
I wasn't looking at NQ.
Yeah, no worries.
So I'm about break even right now on this RTY trade. I did get in a little bit higher than I wanted to.
Feeling odd trading gold, but glad I did. Been having fit the slowness of the indices. Oh yeah. Starts trading gold this morning.
I am not good at trading gold. Better at trading copper than gold. Gold and silver both mess me up. I had a couple of really good silver trades, and then...
Yeah, I remember when you were trading copper there, you were getting some good success.
Copper's, I like the price action better. In general, copper is a decent metal to trade. I don't like trading gold or silver. Platinum's a bitch.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I won't ever trade platinum again.
Platinum's a beast.
It is. I won't trade oil on a prop account. All right, someone hit my break even here. I'm up, I think, 50 bucks or so. Oh, I'm up 80 bucks. All right.
Gold was great for Asia and London, so massive clean moves, but now we're chopping a bit. Gotcha. Yeah, I'm always I don't know. I just never had any luck with gold, so I've ended up taking too many bad losses on those accounts. So it's really hard to get sizing correct for me on those ones because they move so fast with only $2,000 drawdown. So
yeah, it's a skill that I do not possess. I've talked to Rebecca about it a number of times because of her gold trades, and nope, it's not in my skill set. I was starting to get a little bit edgy about this RTY trade because of the orders that were on the book map underneath the current price.
Yeah.
And then as soon as I was about to cut it out, those orders came off.
Interesting. Tori said platinum is the best at Mustang Trader.
I mean, if you're good at it, by all means, make your paper, boo-boo. But I will lose, and I'll lose badly. People think that if you can trade whatever, if you can trade NQ, you can trade anything. No, the movements are so much different. Taking my $55 and calling it. I don't like this chop right now.
Yeah, fair enough. I mean, RTY.
Yeah, I'm glad I took it.
Pulling
I'd
back
be in the red right now. Yeah. I can always re-enter for a better price, so. But yeah, even the difference between trading ES and NQ, it's a pretty big difference.
Yeah. I might need to go grab a refill on the coffee here pretty quick.
I was having a very similar thought. Suppose at some point I should probably check the live stream, see if there's comments and shit in there. Oh, hey, hi, Tim. How you doing? Mr. Stewart, Wayne. Wow, all the usual suspects.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Dad. Good morning. Didn't see that either. High time traded gold for the first time this year. Had a good short, but it won't touch it until next week. I don't have the internet for that. I went back east last week and was blown away on how fast things loaded. Really, eh? The internet's so slow. Huh.
Chris is saying lots of tickers have been choppy for a while with wide spreads and the premiums are high.
Oh, that's about the option stuff, I guess, hey?
Yeah. I'm assuming. So Zara's talking about gold being great for Asia and London. Massive clean moves. I do know, if y'all don't know who Rebecca Trades is, she's actually really good gold trader. And a lot of her trades are, she'll open a trade somewhere in the Asia session, put her stop loss in, and wake up in the morning with a sizable profit in her account.
Have I ever seen the movie Strange Brew? Okay. I think somebody else brought that up before. I don't think I've seen it. Let me just see here. Oh, yes, I recall this. Yeah, somebody else asked this before too, and I haven't, but looks pretty interesting.
Chris is saying no bandwidth here, decent at night, but not later in the day when the tourists are in town. Where are you living there, Chris?
My voice reminds me of the actor. Nice. Oregon coast by the sand dunes. That's where you live? The tourists are gobbling up all the bandwidth, eh? Yeah, I'll have to try to find Strange Brew. I don't know where I can find that.
Netflix or something. Somewhere on the interwebs. So I did take another 5 mini long on RTY.
Nice. Locking in $200.
Not yet. I'm only up 250 right now, so I can't do that quite yet. Got my entry in here at 3,067.20. Okay, now I'm locking in 100.
Okay, initial balance is set. IB low down there at 30,135. And then on the top side, 30,281.
All right, made my 150 bucks there. Take that. Switch back over to my trading view now. There we go.
Nick, how does the weather affect Starlink? Does clouds mess it up or what?
If you've got heavy cloud cover, your Starlink is going to be a little bit slower. And by a little bit, I mean significantly slower. Starlink isn't the best thing in the world anyway, but I mean, of course not. It was built by a grifting, autistic billionaire. So,
but it is also better than no internet.
That's true. Everything that Elon touches goes through the roof until he decides to do something stupid and fuck it all up.
High time and NQ does not look happy. Yeah, I agree.
No, NQ looks like it should, like you shouldn't do anything but wait for a little retracement and then short it.
Yeah.
I should have held that long a little while. All right, I'm getting edgy here. I'm looking for trades that aren't presenting. So I'm gonna go grab some more coffee before I do something stupid.
Sounds good.
I'll be right back.
So my chart up here, still not really into trading at the moment, guys. We're gonna have to see what happens here with this price. I do have these like sort of trend lines that I've had on here for a while. Seems like we're all the way back to that. So I don't know.
Oh, you got
not as much, but
you got your Tory tan lines up there. I was just about to go grab my coffee and I read the Jerry's message. I don't think autistic is the part that makes him an a-hole. You are absolutely correct. That's not the part that makes him an a-hole. It's the being a fucking sociopath that makes him an a-hole. There's a bunch of people that are like Elon Musk super fans. And I get that because they think because he's rich, he's a genius and a good person or whatever. Talk to his children sometime. Find out what kind of person he really is. And actually look at the fundamentals for any business that he has ever had anything to do with. They're garbage. Even even Tesla. Look at Tesla's fundamentals. I don't know how anyone in their right mind would ever invest in that company. Just an opinion. So if you're holding Tesla, good luck.
I'm holding it from like 160 bucks.
All right, fair. All right, now for coffee. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no worries. Chris says always cloudy here, probably just stuck for now. Gotcha. Hey Dave, sorry if you answered this already. Did you stay in last night's short? I saw price dropped after the stream ended. No, I closed that trade basically in about 480 or something profit. It ended up retracing basically right after I shut down the stream, and I ended up closing it shortly after that. So plus 10 on short. I'm out for now. Father's duty. Nice. Plus $10 on short. Got work to do. Hey, got the family work to do here. So this price is bouncing up a little bit here. Let's see if we can't get a retracement sort of up to, to the POC area, and then potentially look for a short. We do have a nice bearish fair value gap right at the POC and up at near the VWAPs. So see if this thing is going to bounce up to there, and then we can look for a short entry. We do have a couple orders up there, sort of 193 and 200 area. just some that just came on right now. So I'm wondering if those are going to be sort of the end of the push. 132 contracts still up at 30,300, which is interesting because there's 132 there. I don't see any red on the book, but like we got red here on the book, and it's I guess because there's two sets of contracts, 127, 133 right side by side. I don't think I've changed the song here since we started. Let's put on the NQ trickery.
Another crack at NQ, don't gone dark. Tag the closer, left a mark. First light on the second screen. P&L blinking, red and green. Room is still, jaws tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan.
5-minute MES, some green delta so far.
Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head faking, waiting.
Yeah, we did pop up there. We had a low of 14,000 on the delta, went up to 11,615. Now we're back to 13,000. So would like to see a bit more of a retracement here. I don't think that this thing's done just yet, retracing. So I'm more interested in trying to short it here if we can get a reaction off of the POC. It's Friday. Anything could happen here in this market. So let's, I'm going to wait for it to price to get up here and look like we're getting some weakness would be nice.
Every whip took a chunk, every fake out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh, show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag, nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Used to every messy open, every flush I had to sit through. Every snap that ripped me open now.
All right, well, looks like we're not going to get all the way to the VWAP or to the POC just yet. Yeah, ES is looking similar to NQ at the moment, sort of pretty deep pullback here, bounced, and then we're just kind of rejecting a bit. So I don't know, maybe we're going to continue making some more lows after a red delta down wave 5-minute. $171.41 is VWAP session low. 171. Oh, which is right where it rejected, eh, Chris? Interesting. Got a bit of a busy day today. Gonna go swing by my dad's a little bit later today, and then I got a pickleball session sort of in the Should be a fun day. I do have a little bit of real estate work to take care of also. Probably can do that later tonight after the pickleball session though. I really should try to make some time Saturday to work on. I got a couple videos on the go. Need to record a little bit more and just cut those up into, cut them up into finished form videos. I got one that's a fair value gap trade, another one that is sort of a educational video idea that I've been working on. You did the aquarium yesterday? Nice. I'm taking the family down to Redwood Forest in California. Nice. How long is that drive for you, Chris? Is Redwood the type of tree? Sorry for my ignorance, or is it just like the color of the tree is pretty red? I'm assuming, I think Redwood is actually a tree, but just a little over 3 hours. Okay, that's not too bad. So we got 46 people watching this morning. That's pretty awesome. We got 19 people in YouTube and 27 in X. So good morning, everybody. Hopefully you guys are doing all right. I did take that one trade, which I ended up cutting for a loser, but so far we are pretty flat. That was an evaluation account, so I'm just not really interested in trading the funded accounts today. I mean, it could have taken, after seeing the price like this, doing this kind of stuff just makes me want to stay away from trading my funded accounts. Now, like I said, maybe we could think about taking a short here if we get back up to the VWAP, the POC area, and find some resistance up there. That could be a nice little area to take a short, but until that happens, I just don't really want to chase it down here. This thing could, like I said, could bounce there. So if we even short it up in this area, we got to take on a bit of a pain there as price goes up there. And then if it ends up taking, maybe we get a reversion trade day where we just go back to the highs. Hard to say. When are you going to see? When are we going to see you hanging out in the New York Stock Exchange with Peter? Who's Peter? Is that's that guy with all the screens in his office, with like 30 computer screens with full of charts? Feel like the day that I get 10K payout in a month, maybe I'll think about heading down to go check out the New York Stock Exchange. I've been down there before. The Einstein on Wall Street. Yeah, I've been there before. I went to New York. I walked around on Wall Street and got a picture with the bear or with the bull, hands on the balls for good luck. Washed my hands after that. Ugh. The Einstein of Wall Street. She don't knock, she don't call, she just show up. All the dirt that you did, yeah, it blow up.
You can run from the game, but you can't from.
I need to get that picture. Need to get a picture with the bull. That's the dream. Nice. Let's see if I can find it real quick here. I can probably find it pretty easy if I go to collections, and then I can look at the map and go zoom into New York.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find.
There we go. You got the bull's balls on my head.
Nobody walks alone.
That's not even that. I mean, I guess it's all the way at the other side of the country for you. Hey, Jerry. I'm like, hey, what's up, guys? We got the bull's balls in our hands. Oh, that's Stephen Kalajian. Yes, that makes sense. Oh, that's the Einstein guy. He's like the white-haired guy, right? Older looking white-haired guy. He looks like Einstein, sort of. I think I've seen him before. Hold balls, yeah. Yeah, my dad. Hey, good morning. I'd punch those balls with my face if I knew it would make me profitable. Like, bong. There's like a lineup to get a picture. Like I had to like line up for 15 minutes or something. Everybody just trying to get a picture with Bull. Peter Tuchman. This guy, yeah.
Oh, you're looking at that Wall Street guy who's in every picture you've ever seen of the pit in Wall Street.
Yeah. Yeah, Jerry was asking, are you going to go down to New York and meet the Wall Street Einstein?
Yeah, I was. You know what? I stepped away so that way I wouldn't make a stupid degenerate trade. And I hear you talking about touching bull balls like some sort of sicko rodeo clown. What is happening in the stream?
See, check it out. I went down to the Wall Street Bull there.
So just all right. Don't ever ask me to boop you again. Peter Tuchman, that's his name.
Yeah. When they said the Wall Street Einstein guy, I was thinking it was originally I thought it was what was Stephen Kalajian, but then I was like, oh yeah, you're talking about the guy with the gray hair.
Yeah, he's not called the Einstein of Wall Street because he's good at trading. It's because he's got Einstein's hairdo.
Yeah, he looks like Einstein, right?
Actually, I took one of his courses years ago. Wow, it was a long time ago.
Farmers love their animals. Wink, wink. Czar. I made my kids hold the bull's balls. Nice, Lafta.
That's choice. I took my kid there. I was just about to tell him, hey, go hold the bull's balls. I'm gonna get a picture of this. I walked over there and he's got his mouth on him.
Oh,
I'm
probably
kidding. I'm just kidding. He's not.
The flu from that or something.
I don't know where that kid's mouth has been.
Lafta said, what did the old man teach?
It was for stock trading using exponential moving averages over specific time periods and basic risk management.
Ah, gotcha. Immune system booster, Chris says.
Hey, you lick enough doorknobs, your immune system gets all the practice it needs.
Yeah.
All right, we got RTY coming back toward VWAP right now. Just pushed down underneath the initial balance high. It's looking like it might be finding a little bit of support there.
I did have RTY up. I'm just watching it a bit today. And okay, yeah, I see. Well, the VWAP's at 33,064 and it's in a bullish fair value gap. So it looks like it found a little support on the 21 EMA. I swear all the people in the hospitals never ate dirt as a kid. Fair? It's fair.
We weren't even allowed to come into the house to wash our hands. Kids running around with like hand sanitizer and all that crap constantly. Whatever happened to soap? Wasn't that the thing that is the thing they still make, right?
Why not M2K, Nick?
Because I'm trading bigger accounts.
Oh, M2K is like the micros.
Yeah, M2K is the micro. I'm sorry, the micro accounts, and I'm trading all of my larger accounts now. So I sized up according to the size of the accounts.
Gotcha.
So
and
I am
RTY is like the mini size then?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not trading standards on anything. I don't have that kind of money.
Courses are designed to save you time. You spend money to save time versus figuring it out on your own. Yeah.
Yeah. So like if I don't know if you've ever looked at the standard contracts on the S&P 500, they're 5 times the size of a mini. So I can't trade that. I don't have that kind of cash. It's 1.25. Yeah, it's 1.25 million for the S&P standard contracts.
Oh yeah.
And every tick is what, $60?
On the big contract of
well every point on an SP standard contract is $250.
Oh wow.
In either profit or loss.
Damn.
I do not know.
Yeah. That's
right,
crazy.
I'm gonna hit my break even on this RTY long. I just got one mini in here right now.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be right back. No problem. De nada. Con mucho gusto.
Your mic's still on, Nick.
That's okay.
Okay.
I don't say anything ever that I give a shit if anyone else hears it. Nano is coming August 24th.
This is wait for confirmation, Chris. It's posted by Nightbuild Audio. So he posted that in the Discord there. We know he speaks Spanish already. It's okay.
Con mucho gusto.
I need to go through that channel again. It's been a minute. Yeah.
Was taught by Mr. Bollinger. What he taught went way over my head. Did not shorten my learning curve. Yeah, it's hard when you know something or create something, trying to teach somebody else and keep it simple enough for them to actually understand. If you want to learn about Bollinger Bands and 3-minute candles, Anthony Crudelli, great source for information. Yeah, and he's an oil trader. I think mainly because he's got crude in his last name.
Crude Deli.
Oh, that stopped me out. I made $50. Okay, acceptable. What channel you need to go through again, Chris? Sorry, I was screwing around.
Oh, he's talking about the AI channel, the AI music on Discord.
You in anything right now?
Nope, still just flat. I'm just responding to something on Discord here.
I got my 3 minis in here and another long. Locking in $50. Now I'm gonna let it go. I am getting away from the 3650.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh no, I locked in 45, not 50. So hey, it's better than the 3650 I normally take. Man, it sounds like you're angry at that keyboard. What's going on?
Oh, it's just, you know, I got a loud keyboard, so not much I can do about it. Don't forget the caps lock.
I was talking to my buddy Joe this morning about last night, when you're because he's just now starting to learn some how to trade futures. And the one thing that I said that I think everybody probably should know, so it's words of wisdom from Uncle Nick. Everybody that's ever worked a 9-to-5 job or owned a business, you have this mindset of you have to be doing something 100% of the time.
Yeah.
When you're trading, you should not be doing something 100% of the time. 99% of your time should be sitting and waiting. If you're clicking buttons constantly, you are gonna lose your ass. But I think a lot of people have issues with when they first start trading, wanting to be in a position 100% of the time. And I honestly believe that's why 99.7% of all day traders end up failing.
Yeah, it's definitely a patience thing.
It's like you can think you're the most patient person in the world, and patience may not be the best way to describe it. It's more of a mindset, like a work mindset thing. Just figured I'd throw that out there for anyone who may be wanting to just constantly be in a position. That's what you should do, Dave. Make Market Butcher fidget spinners.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Play with this instead of clicking buttons.
You'll have to try that at a blackjack table. Trying to sit on your hands while gambling continues without you.
So now we know that someone's a gambler.
Wait for confirmation. All right, next song here. Well, is this gonna be a flat Friday for me? I took that took that payout on TPT account yesterday.
Very good. What'd you pull out of it? Or how much buffer? You don't need to answer that. How much buffer did you leave in?
Oh, let's see. What do I got left in there? I'm still at 52,393. So 2,400 buffer.
All right, I just put in another RTY long at 3,069.90.
Oh, that one goes by 0 to 10 points, hey?
Yes.
Gotcha.
Figures I get into that trade, and now orders are coming on the book map underneath the current price.
Some prices might be pulling down to it here.
I take 2 minis off this just in case.
Dave's picture with the bull's balls on a fidget spinner.
I have to get one of those AI image creators.
Yeah.
Get a picture of Dave with the bull's balls in his mouth.
Oh my god.
The caption, just boosting my immune system.
That'd be hilarious. Looks like my fireplace ran out of wood.
Trust your edge. Wait. Execute. The market owes me nothing. Just possibility. My job's not prediction. It's execution. The edge. Consistency. The market open. Let's begin. Every loss can still be a win. If I follow every rule, discipline becomes.
Imagine if Einstein insisted on everyone holding his balls while taking his lessons. Not the best image I was thinking about, but
Yeah, no, I'm thinking I'd probably hurt my back trying to reach down that low. He's an old man.
New day. New edge. Here we go. Morning light. Opportunity. Coffee brew, screens ignite. 8:30, ready for the fight. News feeds flash, charting highs. Fortune waits in plain disguise. Calendar lock, no room for doubt. No regrets, we figure it out. Levels drawn with careful hand. The edges here across the land. No emotions, no surprise. Trade the facts, not the highs.
30,048 is 50% of 50% of that push up, hey? I was saying to everybody earlier, I want to see a bounce to the VWAP for a short, but it's just never came. Just one of those. We did get a bounce there up to 30,175 area. Not even to a VWAP, not even to a special, nothing, no special levels or anything, and just turned around and kept going lower. So maybe we're going to get a bounce to the midnight open price now for a possible short. That's at 152 area. That'd be interesting. Kind of just want some sort of confluence here if we're going to get, you know, a place to take a short. I do have some trend lines here, but I'm just not really convinced that those trend lines are meaning anything at this point. They're from a long time ago, and we traded out of them for quite a while. So I just pulled them down just to see where they were and kind of like look for some reactions off of this. But yeah. So we have 44 people watching this morning. We have quite a few in X. We have 27 people in X this morning, which is pretty interesting. And about 17 people in YouTube.
That is surprising. We normally don't have that many people watching in an X channel, do we?
Yeah, it's a little rare. I mean, we've been up there maybe like 20 total, 15 to 20 usually at the higher end. So today it's we're getting exposed a little more. Thanks for watching, everybody on X there.
It's because of your Wall Street pictures.
Oh yeah, could be sucking people in. We bounced off yesterday's VWAP close, 30,088. Oh, that was that
Wow, you weren't kidding about NQ. This is the first time I've looked at it in a minute. Looks like a go short and just leave it day.
Yeah, would have been. Yeah, I've just been patiently waiting for a bounce here, and we can't even get one. So what a Friday, man.
Not the worst Friday I've ever seen.
Nope.
Yeah, ES and NQ are both just...
So I have one of those top one futures daily evals. It's only about 240 away from passing. The elite daily. That'd be pretty sweet. I should have, in hindsight, I'm like, man, I should have just shorted anywhere on this trade and could have definitely passed that by now.
Yeah.
2 micros could have easily passed that account.
Oh, could this be your NQ pullback? No, never mind. Just flattened out. Like, is it going to come up to that -2 deviation band? But then it stopped.
How are those? Don't even have those deviation bands up right now.
-2 is sitting at 30,087.50.
Oh wow, they're really spread out right now, hey?
Yeah, the -1's up at 138.50. So this is not looking healthy for longs.
No. Not at all. Short pullbacks to, yeah, the 90 MA would have been working actually.
So I am in an NQ short right now. I got it on that tiny little pullback. I'm up 470 and I locked in 5 points.
Wow, nice.
520, 470, it's just bouncing between those. Oh. So are you still taking the stuff that people say in the chat to make these songs?
These ones are these last couple songs have been made by Nightbuild Audio. But yeah, I've done a few of those streams, or a few more of those songs, yes. Like this one here. This one has lots of comments about Jerry. Jerry became the highlight of this this song.
Speaking of which, where is Gordon? I haven't seen him in a hot minute.
Yeah, it's been a minute. Gordon's on vacation. That's why this is a part of the song too. Like we're like, "Where's Gordon?" And then that got into the song. So Big Boy's active. Who says that? Wayne. Some high volume 5-minute MNQ near -3 devs. Green Delta, red candle, Nasdaq doing something scandalous. Volume pumping, candle squirm. Jerry says that's when it's time to learn. Can you ever get past -3 deviations, or does it just keep expanding?
Oh no, you can you can set it up with that that equation to do -3.
Well, I do have, like, when I just go to I just turn on -3, but it seems like it just keeps like putting it down further. You know what I mean? As prices going down, it doesn't really.
Oh, it's gotta be a real big move down.
Gotcha.
It's got to be real big and real fast.
Mm-hmm.
All right, my order got picked up on RTY, short 5 minis. I'm locking in $75 now. Picked it up at 3,064.70.
Not you, Wayne? Wait, not you talking about Big Boys? Big Boys dip buying. Hey, Angia, good morning. Jerry, candle squirm. Angie is happy about the bear market. Yes.
All right, I took my $74.50 out of that one.
There you go. Hey, profit's profit. $74 could be like a dinner tonight.
10. Chat says you short, right? Well, you asked if I was short. Cherry's 511, I was
Want to say thank you to you and Dad. You've been teaching me about IB. Nice, yeah. Initial balance is a good level to be watching. This one was a great day for initial balance, low break.
So that's Angia, correct?
Yeah.
You said you and Dad, so I figured it was either Angia or I have Enzo in the chat too.
Oh yeah.
Not that I know about that. Sus. Miss make cookies, nobody have to decide. So now she ain't sharing. Jerry asked for weird comments. Jack took it too far. Dark side's coming out while we're staring at the chart. Misters, don't be lazy. Hit the like. Everybody hit it. We're trading all night. Chop W's in the chat. Break the range, take the scalp, then we give it right back. Liquidity taking gold, staying heavy, NASDAQ nasty, but the butch stay ready. Chop. Let the green candle slide. Tradeify, Lucid payout stacking high. Profit trader, blue sky EA, first payout hits. Now we're feeling great.
You shorted right at the 240 IB open price and hold my short all the way. Nice job, Angia.
Wow.
That is awesome.
That's beautiful. Nice trade.
Yeah.
Let's put some W's in that chat.
W's. Angia is really good.
Yeah.
Candle squirm. Philip says, first time here. Wonder Man asks, you live every day. Wilson says, good trade, Dave. Welcome to
Added big size when NQ retested IB low. Nice.
Respect the VWAP. And remember,
Good job.
8 hours of trading gets you exactly where you started. W's in the chat.
I like that. 8 hours of trading gets you exactly where you started. Yeah,
Yeah.
that is generally true. All right, I just put in a 5 mini short.
Market butcher,
On the NQ?
you already know.
RTY.
Okay.
First payout. W's in the chat.
Do you notice RTY is it typically goes opposite of NQ?
Nope. Generally in
today
the
it
same
does.
direction. Yeah, well, generally it's the same direction.
Mm-hmm. Probably puts you backwards 8 hours, Chris.
I mean, it can.
Finally, actually good price action. It's a miracle. You like the Bears today, Blackout News? You're usually unhappy with price action, so good to hear that you're having a good day, obviously.
Yeah.
Like to hear that.
Yeah, today has been a pretty easy day.
Yeah, I've just been too patient here, trying to wait for a pullback to the VWAP instead of, you know. So I'm going to play pickleball today, and there's a girl that's going to go play with us, and her boyfriend is a trader. So I'm looking forward to hearing a little bit about what he's doing. Should be interesting.
Is he a trader for a firm, a bank, personal?
I think it's personal, but I don't know much details what he's trading, or I think it's a personal capital guy, like he uses his own capital. So
Everybody screaming. Charts looking clean, accounts still dreaming. Lucid trading, Tradeify, blue sky, we're flying high. Take profit, trader, EA, markets to every page.
Just moving. I scalped both ways. Buy biased. Nice. Oh, you like the move? Like you just like that the price is moving nicely. Yeah, I guess price has been relatively clean here. Not a whole bunch of like choppy wick action here. At least we're moving in a general direction with a little bit of pullbacks here and there.
Getting a little bit more movement down here on this RTY short I'm in.
Over trading FOMO boredom worse than boredom 9 to 5. Yeah. If I don't get it today, it should be able to pass it Sunday or Monday. It should be done a while ago, but the last month's been insane. All right, slow and steady there, Chris. You got this.
It shouldn't have been done a while ago. It should be done
when it's done.
When it's done. We're talking about that, not being in a rush.
Yeah.
If it takes you 2 months to get your payout, it takes you 2 months. There's an argument for if it takes you 2 months, you're better off because you're not oversizing.
RTY's at VWAP? Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
You got Wayne onto RTY now, hey? You got an eval a couple weeks ago, caught it a sale. Nice. Yeah, definitely the sales are where to get them if you can. Which firm was that with, Chris?
No FOMO, no guessing, just execution.
I haven't played this song in a while. It's kind of like a free YouTube one. It's just kind of like no lyrics, just chillin' beat. Nick, 5-minute RTY getting green delta, says Wayne. And Chris, you said you got a $20 25K eval. Nice. Yeah, those are good price.
So I've been looking at the longs off of 3065 for RTY. I want to see how this plays out for the next 5 to 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
I was in a short. I ended up closing that out for, I think, like $45 in profit.
Nice.
So tiny. I mean, it was a tiny amount of profit on that one. But I want to see this this bounce off of, and I don't know what Wayne is looking at, but I'm looking at VWAP bounces right now.
But you're sort of like on the VWAP, so this kind of hard to just take a trade off of that, right? Because
oh yeah, no, I'm not gonna.
You've been below it, then above it, then below it, then now you're back above it. So
we're at the -2 deviation, and we have our low of day VWAP that I want to see it bounce up over.
Tradeify is only a couple years old. I guess so.
Yeah, they've been around that long.
Most prop firms are, I mean, futures prop firms are relatively fresh, right?
Yeah, Top One started off with Forex.
Yeah, that was Top One Trader, right?
Yes.
Not Top One Futures. Yeah. Do you know if the ASFX guys used to trade with Top One Trader before in the futures or before futures contracts?
I
know they were into Forex, but
I have no idea.
The CFDs.
No, thank you.
No thanks.
Don't want to deal with CFDs. Don't want to deal with prop firms out of the United Arab Emirates or any of that bullshit.
Yeah. Zarp's got a CFD account. He had a couple day swing trade on MY or MNQ. I got an email from Apex saying like I gotta like refresh my account or something. So I went and looked, and I'm like, I don't even have any accounts with them, so I don't know why they're sending me a message like that.
Have you ever had accounts with them?
Yeah.
It's probably just an automated message.
Yeah, it said something about Tradeify needs you to refresh the something or other, and like, so I've logged into Tradeify. I'm like, I don't have any accounts, so it's like I don't get why say that, but
who knows?
Trying to draw your attention back to them, I guess, maybe.
Yeah, could be.
Like, haven't seen you in a while. Why don't you come back and check us out? I think Brett Simba's on yeah, I think it's Brett Simba's on PFM right now, and he's the CEO of Tradeify.
Yes.
Wayne, are you in any trades, or are you just chilling out right now?
It's funny, I said that RTY was at the -2 deviation.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was at VWAP.
Oh.
When I switched from the account that I'm trading on it over to my trading view account, I had it on NQ.
Oh, gotcha.
When I went to go do the read on it. So sorry about that, guys.
You're reading the wrong market.
Yeah. I'm looking at the right market on this screen, and then on the one that I have shared was on NQ. I think because I looked at a trade you were doing, maybe something. I don't know. We are getting a little bounce here off of that VWAP.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Got orders above and below current price on RTY.
Kyle says, sounds like when I'm about to trade MNQ and accidentally buy NQ. Been there. I think we've all been there at some point.
I did that with ES and Blue 5 accounts, 5 evals.
Damn, hey?
Yeah, that was not a good day.
Yeah, if you get in with, if you're going to go buy 5 micros and you end up buying 5 minis, that's, whew.
You're just blowing that account up at that point.
Yeah.
There's no getting over that. Thankfully, they weren't cash accounts. They were prop accounts.
Yeah. Could have taken a big hit, eh?
Oh, yeah. What is this gonna do with the VWAP here?
Right? Ouch. Oh yeah. I'm like, what did Kyle say ouch for? But I guess he's talking about the eval that accidentally blew.
Oh, yeah. I smoked 5 of them in under 2 minutes. Luckily, I do remember it was those $19 Apex accounts, so I wasn't all that upset with it. Still, you know, disheartening, but excuse me. Hey, you're putting me to sleep here, Dave.
Yeah. This price action's putting me to sleep.
You know what? It's almost noon. I don't even know what I'm still doing here. I didn't realize it was so late.
Hanging out, making money. It's been a chill stream. We're just relaxing here.
Yeah, I mean, this is like nap time.
Usually this is when you take your nap on the beach in the hammock.
Yep. Yeah. No hammock.
Just on the sand, hanging out with the ants.
Oh, trust me, that hammock's not going to save you from the ants.
True. They'll just climb up the tree and down the hammock.
There's 11,000 different species of ant down there. And
really?
Yeah, it's something ridiculous like that. And it's not the big ones that hurt you.
No.
There's some
small
very
little red
small
ones.
They're not even red. They just look like tiny little black, harmless ants until they start biting you.
Ooh.
But they're venomous, and they release a hormone when they bite you that attracts
the rest
other
of them.
Out there.
Ooh.
So that's fun.
That's pretty nasty.
Yeah, it's not good. All right, I got my long in on RTY. Oh, if you pull back on me now, I'm going to be irritated.
Don't pull back now. Don't be a B-tard. A bastage.
Arguing stinky bastages.
Sweet. I finally took a trade, and I passed that 50K top one future eval there.
Nice. Did you not have very far to go with it, or was that?
I made 250 to pass it there. So
All right.
I'm up at $53,018 now on that.
Perfect. So that was you said that was passing an eval?
It's a daily elite daily account from
right.
Top One Futures.
Wonder if they're still doing those.
Yeah, they are. There's a pretty good deal on them right now. I think it's 55% off. Elite evaluations, elite daily.
Oh wait, those are the ones that I have.
No, or yeah, maybe, I don't know. Remember you had that access one, the elite access.
Oh, that's right. I got the elite access. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah. The
you
daily.
Are correct, sir.
They're 55% off right now. So those elite dailies are about $100 for 50K with no activation fee.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
And my RTY long is back in my favor.
Thanks, Round Trade Jim. I think what was the consistency on these top one futures? 40% consistency on the eval, so I'm definitely within that because I had 27% previously. So I was already meeting the consistency and there wasn't very much left to make. So largest profit day.
All right, I'm up 570 in this long. I'm gonna lock in.
Wow, look at this thing going, hey?
Locking in 180.
I just locked that account so I don't accidentally trade it.
Good choice.
Yeah, we got some large firewood going today, Jerry. Switched up the the logs in the fireplace. So force fed in the house or what? There he is. Morning, gents. Thanks, guys. Force Feds, Kyle, what up, G? Wayne, you out of here? Okay, have a great weekend, Wayne. See you on Sunday if you're around.
All right, I added 6 more minis to this.
Holy crap. Trading the big boys.
Yeah, I'm trading the larger accounts today, so and of course I'm bringing this to break even as soon as humanly possible, so I mean, it's at break even plus $200 or $150 right now, so
nice.
So
That's
I'm
always
not
good.
I don't have very much risk on the table. So it's a total of 12 minis.
Should we pull up your chart there?
Hold on.
Or is that chart actually the one you're using?
I don't know if it's going to show up on there. Actually, let me can log out of this one and log into that one. All right, go ahead.
There you go. Nice.
Cancel these orders. Get out of there. So I'm up about 1,400 right now. The break even plus 2. Whoa, no I don't. Pull that back down.
What's that? Didn't you remove?
I hit the break even plus 2. I didn't want it that close to the current price.
Yeah.
So I got 510 locked in right now.
Nick's always with the big dog trades. Great trade, Nick. Yeah.
No, not actually. No, I'm not. Usually I start off with just a couple of micros and add into them. It's just the price action for today and the accounts that I'm using called for it. I won't take chances on minis on smaller accounts or on days when I'm not real sure where price is going. And like I said, most of the time I start my trades off with a single micro or 3 micros. So really, no matter what, I make $500 on this.
Awesome.
So I shouldn't. I should just let this go, honestly. See if it gets above the standard 1 deviation band. It continues upward. Bookmap is showing, looking like it's probably going to do that. We do have some orders below the current price right now at 3,066. but we got a lot more up at 3,074. So if this bounces off this standard 1 deviation a couple more times, I may get the hell out of it though.
Fair. Are you in the, you said you're in RTY, right?
RTY, yeah.
Yeah. Just Jerry was asking in the chat, so.
I'm not looking at the chat right now.
Fair enough. I know you're busy.
I'm out. Taking my 690 bucks and calling it a day.
Nice. There you go. Locking in more W's. Got a week's worth of dinners now.
Hey, look at that.
Off that trade.
That's my grocery bill for the week.
There you go.
And of course, it's going to go back up now.
Oh yeah. Figures, right? That's all good. You got the profit.
If I hadn't have taken a couple of decent trades earlier, I would have cut that at the first deviation band.
Mm-hmm.
But I was taking a calculated risk, thinking it might go through that. And here it goes.
Oh yeah. R2Y is looking really good today.
Been trading me
Popped
well.
up and staying high, staying up nicely.
Yeah, this developing point of control right here at 3,069.90.
Yeah.
Again, a little bit of resistance at 69.20. And now more orders are coming on underneath. The tape still looks bullish though.
Mm-hmm. This song kind of sounds like 80s porn music or something.
It reminds me of that video game Sonic the Hedgehog.
Oh yeah, totally. Hey, that's true. All you need is a little coin sound. Ding, 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 ding. Collecting
Yes.
coins.
Do something about that, Dave.
Yeah.
Get some coin noises in that. Is that one of the stock ones from StreamYard?
I just heard one of those like ding noises from Tradeify, and it was that past eval said auto liquidate. I was like, okay, good.
Yeah. As long as it's liquidating you due to passing an eval, you're good.
Yeah. And there's no activation fee on those, which is awesome. So I don't have to worry about that.
That's why I like TPT too.
Yeah, if you get it when the deal's on.
It's always on. No fee 40.
Congratulations, Elite Daily Challenge 50K Tradeify Ninja. You passed the phase. This is a huge accomplishment. You've demonstrated the discipline, skill, and consistency needed to succeed. Share your success story and encourage others on their trading journey.
Okay, buddy. So you want us to advertise for you?
Yeah.
No, thank you. Goes back to wearing clothing with big emblems on them for the companies. Good. Pay me. You want me to wear your shit with your logo all over it? Fuck you.
Yeah.
Pay me.
That was pretty fast, actually. They've already put the new account in my... The new account's already in. Nick's opinion on the song is a little more PG. The sonic music sounded like it was brainwashing you.
No, it's just putting me to sleep. I need a crisp pot of coffee over here. All right, I got a 5 mini long in here.
On the RTY?
Yep. I hit my break even just to be safe. I don't need to risk a whole hell of a lot today.
Mm-hmm.
If I miss out on a trade, I'll still be very happy with how today has played out. So
Yeah, you've done very good today.
I did disconnect those top one futures accounts though. So
Oh, nice, yeah. Austin's on PFM right now. He's talking about the indicator, how they updated it. Something that shows a trigger or something now. So maybe that's why your candle changed color.
Maybe. I don't know what the hell is going on with that. I'm just gonna call Randy and say, hey, what the shit's going on over there?
WTF, Rand.
I finally start getting used to something, and then Austin thinks he can improve it.
Constantly improving everything around here. What the heck?
I
How
know.
dare.
Well,
Making me download another indicator, updated indicator over and over.
It's serious. I've been every single day I've had to do an update on that thing.
Yeah.
So I believe I have $100 locked in here on this.
Yeah, so he's saying that they're showing that he's showing white candles occasionally on his chart, Austin. So that white candle was definitely from that indicator.
All right. Oh yeah, I figured out what the where it was coming from. I just don't know what the hell it means.
Yeah. I think it was a double break.
Oh, maybe.
Double break
They've
indicator.
been going on a lot about their double breaking.
Yeah. This RTY is looking good for you, eh?
I'm up a little over 400 right now.
Nice.
If my math is correct.
So on
actual
NQ, we have
Twitch.
333 contracts down at 30,000.
Oh shit! I'm up like over 500 now.
Yeah, it's been popping up pretty nice. Nice since you said you went long, I saw.
So I have a different screen up because I don't want to look at my P&L.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm trying to do math in my head, and then the one that you guys can see actually has the P&L up on there. I don't feel like having some douchebag get into the chat going, "Oh, why don't you ever show your P&L?" All right, it should be up like 650 now.
Doing quick math on where the stop is.
My stop should be like maybe 375.
Oh, okay.
I should be about $600, $700
No, it says
in
800.
profit. Okay, so 800 in profit.
Now 715 on a little bit of a pullback. 750. Sorry.
Stop talking, Dave.
No more comments.
You're really pretty when you're quiet. No, I just don't want that number in my head. I would much rather go by what this chart's telling me.
Gotcha. For sure.
I was kidding about you being quiet. I just didn't want to know what the what my P&L was.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, no worries.
Oh, you just got really quiet.
All right.
I'm quiet, but there's a reason for that.
Yeah, you're in the trade. No, I'm scanning around the markets here, so.
Get off that 30-second chart there.
RTY did a little pullback there, and this looks like it's back into the bullish move here. Nice. NQ's sort of bounced up, and we're kind of stuck in a bearish fair value gap around 30,083. We do have contracts above at 90, 95, and 30,100.
It is still looking a little bullish on the book map as well. Tape is still rating a little bit bullish. We are getting a couple of, we did end up with a couple of sell volume balls on RTY. Tape is slowing down though, so. Hold us slightly above that developing point of control. So I should have like, I don't know, maybe 450, 500 locked in. I think I'm up like 700, 800 bucks now. Okay, 765.
Hi, Ralph. Ralph just woke up. He's looking at me like, hey, what's going on?
How's our little buddy?
He's doing all right. He looks sleepy.
How's yours doing today?
They seem okay.
Not rubbing his face in the...
No, not that bad anyways. Still, I think they still irritate him a bit, but I got to go back to the vet today, so.
Oh yeah, I have 540 locked in.
Oh, geez. Too many comments here. Getting behind.
Oh, sorry.
Let's see. I cannot emphasize enough how important low volume nodes are. When each one is auto plotted for you, it's amazing. Nice. That's an entrepreneurial mindset throw a grenade at the existing iteration and make it better. Why don't you show your P&L, Nick? He just doesn't like to see it. He'd rather trade the chart, Jerry.
I don't mind showing you guys. Wait,
yeah, it's still showing it. It's still showing it. Yeah.
I was gonna say I just don't like looking at it myself because I don't like seeing that number. I'd much rather trade what the chart's telling me than trading my P&L.
Yeah.
If I start seeing that a number is going in my direction, I'm just going to end up taking profits, usually too early if I have that number up there, or I'm going to fail to get out of the trade, wanting more out of it. So if I just trade the chart, I see where my entry is. My entry is right down here. And then my stop loss is right here. It's right at that standard 1 deviation. So,
Nice.
So I'm okay with that.
FN Trade says, Butcher Mustang, when you say there's a bunch of contracts at X price on NQ, do you always suspect price will move towards those contracts?
Not always.
Not always. It's just sort of an added confluence. If you're already seeing bullish reasons or bearish reasons, and then there's prices below, and it's dark the other direction, often that's a help. Like it's a supporting confluence, but not necessarily. You know, as we know, nothing's a guarantee. But like, for example, we did have a bunch of orders above NQ at, 30,000, 90, 95, 100, and we just took all those, and we're pushing up higher here through these orders. So.
Oh shit, I'm almost $1,000 up.
Yeah, you're getting a new high there.
Why didn't you tell me that?
I'm not watching.
I'm kidding.
I'm
kidding.
I'm staying quiet here.
Because you're real pretty when you're quiet.
I'm so pretty when I'm quiet. Yep. Got some good buying volume here on NQ. We got 72 contracts, sort of at 90. 97 had 125 contracts, and then another 67 at 103. So the bulls are pushing this price up at the moment. Now, this could just be short covers too, on top of bulls stepping in also trying to take it long, but we'll see. Angie goes, I'm pooping now. I'll let you guys know if my toilet can flush this time or not. You may need to get out of your long position. What the heck, Angie? Also, third shower incoming. Thanks for letting us know. I got out of my long just in case there's a delay. What part? So if you're posting screenshots, Big Teflon, about your chart, there's a chart channel. Or a general is fine too, but how does RTY trade compared to ES and YM? RTY seems like it's been pretty clean. Looking pretty good. Born Hunting's back. How is that? Oh. RTY doesn't seem that crazy volatile to me. It looks pretty, like seems a little bit more of a methodical move than rather the swings like NQ does. My toilet flushed. Third shower now. Good luck, guys.
All right. So RTY still got more orders above than below. Got a big red band at 3,072.75. Tape is reading a little more bearish now.
Yeah.
If it gets below this 3-minute candle, actually. There we go. Just move my stop loss up there.
Nick says the point value, it says online the point value for MES and M2K are the same. Is that legit? So
I'm
$1.25 per point. Well, it's kind of different because they have different point structures, so I'm not sure.
A point is a point.
Oh, point structure. Sorry, yeah, not tick. I'm thinking tick.
Yeah. Point is a point. Tick structure can be different, but let me make sure I'm closed out of everything here. Well, skibbity doo dah. Look at that.
Skibbity doo da day, skibbity doo da day.
All right, buddy. I need a damn nap.
We should probably wrap it up.
I have been on this computer for way too long today.
Oh yeah, especially since 7:30.
Yeah, since an hour and a half before that doing my pre-market stuff. So that being said, I'll see y'all Monday morning. And I'm going to check my P&L today. Oops. Tab. I do not like what they've done with TradeZella.
Oh?
No, the whole Zella AI nonsense is starting to grate on my damn nerves.
Mm-hmm.
I just got really used to it.
Well, Angie was right. She flushed the toilet and it went down. NQ went down. The Angia indicator is working on
I'm telling you.
NQ.
Angia takes a shower, you go long. Takes a shit, you go short.
MES E micro $5 per point is one ticket is $25.25. M2K per $5 per point. 10 cents a tick. Oh, 50 cents a tick. Gotcha. Nice, Jerry.
So yeah, it evens out in the wash.
Mm-hmm.
Well, look at that. I'm green for the day. Sweet.
Yeah, I bet.
So yeah, on that note, everybody do your YouTube thing and like it, subscribe it. And David, you're streaming on Sunday night?
Yes, sir.
Then I probably won't come on, but I'll tune in and listen to the dulcet tones of your voice.
Put you to sleep.
Oh, don't worry, I won't have any pants on. I mean, I won't be weird about it.
All right, sir.
All right, I will see you later. Have a lovely weekend.
Sounds good. You too. See ya. All right, guys, let's wrap it up here. It's been a fun session, although I was pretty much flat. It is a Friday, though. Oh, looks like we didn't have any chart up. There we go. So let's do a little shout out here. We're going to wrap it up. We'll be back live Sunday, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out. We got a 25K Lucid Flex eval to give away. So be there, be square. Thanks, Chris, Jerry, Born Hunting, Wayne, Hightam, Angia, Kyle, Big Teflon, Czar, Dr. Hamat, my dad, Skeletor, Wrong Trade Jim, Lafta, ForceFed, FN Trades, Blackout News Network, Yamadad, Zia Imad, I think, Eddie Chin, and Yogi. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate the support, and have a great weekend, guys. We'll see you on Sunday. Get out, touch some grass, enjoy some time off the charts, enjoy some time with your family, and yeah, we will see you on the next one. Have a good one, guys. See ya. Bye. Thanks, guys. See you later.